Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Ace10 again. So today I have another tip for you. Now, do you realize that when some people do talk, especially for a longer period of time, you realize that there is whitish substance in the corners of your lips? Yes, it can be so embarrassing, and the fact is that sometimes they are not conscious of it. Now, if you have this condition today, I have a solution for you, so do not worry, you are gonna kiss it goodbye. Now, the thing is, in the inner side of our lips, if you can see, you have the skin tissues there is soft and very thin. The problem is not the excessive saliva there, but it is the skin over there. Yes, the skin there is thin. It's like it's not being exfoliated now, so it is the skin over there, not the saliva. It is the skin over there, the thin skin over there, the dead skin, which needs to be gotten rid of, which is gonna cause that whitish substance. When the saliva comes into contact with that dead skin over there, it forms that whitish substance, which is not so cute. So how are you gonna get rid of this? The solution is to get rid of that skin over there, and the whitish substance is not gonna come again. Now, how do you do it? The first step is to rinse your mouth with apple cider vinegar solution. Just mix 1 part apple cider vinegar, 1 part water, and just rinse your mouth with it. It's gonna help. Then every morning and every evening, this is what you're gonna do. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a cotton, cotton ball, or just cotton. Get apple cider vinegar. You have to do this every morning if you have this condition. Just put it on like that, and I want you to clean the inner part of your lip, the corner, like that. And you do it the same here. You do the same thing here too. If you have that condition, you're gonna realize that the thin film of skin over there has been removed, and throughout the day, if you talk, and even if by mistake a saliva gets here, it's not gonna cause that whitish substance, which is so embarrassing. So this is the solution. You will do this 2 times a day, 1 in the morning and the second one in the evening or before you go to bed, and you're gonna kiss this condition goodbye. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.